Hello everyone, maybe all of you probably guessed the job in this video, right? So don't let you wait any longer. We will start working on the job profile right now. We are group 2 that includes 2 people. My name is Thúy Hằng and my partner is Vân Hà. We are making a job profile about a university lecturer. Our presentation consists of 5 parts. The first one is the definition. The second one is the characteristics. The third one is the main task of a lecturer. The next one is the opportunities and challenges. And last but not least is some advice for those who want to become a lecturer. So let's start with part 1. Who are they? Lecturers are specialized civil servants who play a key role in teaching and training at the university, college, and postgraduate level, belonging to a training major of university and colleges. As you can see from a photo, here is an example of a lecturer. As you know, great lecturers are always respected and appreciated by students. They have a strong impact on the life of a student, and they also become an inspiration to all of the students at university or colleges. So, what are the characteristics of a lecturer? There are 8 personalities of a lecturer we want to mention to all of you. So the first characteristic is political quality. All of the lecturers are exemplary in implementing and actively promoting, mobilizing colleagues and learners to abide by the party's guidelines and the state policies and laws. Second personality is the ethical quality. Lecturers also have a love for the job, dedication, responsibility for the profession, preserving the quality and honor. Moreover, all lecturers must have a healthy lifestyle, civilization, serial working style, and standards in relationships with colleagues and learners. The next personality I want to mention is the professional qualification. It is up to the precise training standards. In addition, a lecturer also have a teaching profession. They have a knowledge and skill. They also support colleges and learners to develop their career. Furthermore, organizing teaching is very important and necessary. Lecturers have to apply methods and techniques in teaching design and organization for all the lessons before coming to a class. Besides, a great lecturers always support learners. They understand learners and guide learners during the training process and after graduation. And the last personality I want to mention is implementation of research topics and projects. A successful lecturer has a scientific research capacity. And this is all about my part and my partners. We continue with our presentation.
So I'm gonna continue with my part now. The following section is the question about what do they have to do as a lecturer. Firstly, they have to work with a compulsory working hour equal to minimum of 8 hours per day, including their time to teach in the class, also work at the office and complete other tasks which related to their subject. Then they have to prepare for the learning material, such as lesson plan, quick quizzes, and extra exercise for the learner. And it's come with the teaching according to the assignment of the faculty. They present and deliver knowledge in the lecture hall to the student. Besides, they always have to be the one who quickly update knowledge and research for professional documents. At the same time, they have to attend some activity at the faculty according to their qualification, such as attend other classes to gain experience or to give comment. With the lecturer we interviewed, who has 24 years experience, she also had to do some practical research, such as go on some field trips and implement scientific projects. Okay, so what do you think about this opportunity and challenges at a university lecturer? What will they have to portray? About the plus point, they can obviously have time to improve and practice their teaching skill if they are new to the job, and with people who have been working in a longer time, they will have chances to get promoted to higher position. Besides, with this job as a teacher who bring useful things to the learner, they will be respected not only by the student but also by the other job in society. But on the other hand, they definitely have to face the minus point. Both of the people we interviewed said that they felt that this job had a really bad effect on their health, both physically and mentally. And they do not get a really high salary to meet all of their needs. Besides, the most concerning challenge for them is when the student ability has not been developed as they expected. They try their best in delivering, but somehow their student lost the interest and start feeling like giving up. That's just really stressful for a teacher to behold. Then, to sum up all the information, our guests also gave us some pieces of advice for young people who have a dream to become a lecturer in the future. So what can you do? The most important thing is that you have to be confident, proactive, and skillful at the same time. And then improve your professional and social knowledge about the field which you have chosen. Lastly, you may spend time to learn some extra skills like new foreign languages, communication, and technology skills. After all, a lecturer is a valuable job, and we wish everyone to have a perfect and successful development in the career path. Thank you for listening.